Hello everyone, Dr. Poppy here. Welcome back to my pet rescue centre. Here comes Lucy the Goldfish.
Many people think that goldfish have trouble remembering things. This is actually not true. Goldfish have memories that last 3 months. I do hope Lucy remembers what she's come here for today.
Hi Lucy, how can I help you today? Stop Lucy, before you hurt yourself. I think I may know what's wrong, but I need your help, Robbo. I think Lucy needs an eye test. Please can you get some words up on the screen for Lucy?
One eyesight test coming right up.
Lucy, can you read this? Don't worry, Lucy. K-R-A-B spells crab. Let's try another. Never mind, Lucy. Sh-a-l spells shell. I know. Robbo, I think Lucy has a problem with her eyesight. Can you please fetch the reading goggles? Try these out, Lucy. They're super special goggles that make you see better. Sometimes humans need to wear glasses to help them see better too. A perfect fit. Let's see if that makes a difference. That's right, Lucy. Ish spells fish. Well done. I think you just needed a pair of glasses, didn't you?
Rhinos are enormous. They are covered in thick skin as tough as a suit of armour, and even though they only eat plants, they can grow to the size of a large car.
Hello, Shaka. What seems to be the problem? Goodness, something is making you very itchy, isn't it? Let's have a look and see. Robbo, magnifying glass, please.
I'm afraid you have little insects called ticks on your skin, Shaka. They are on your back and behind your ears.
I know you can't reach back there to get the ticks, Shaka, but don't worry. I think I know someone who can help. Oh, Lulu! Could you come here, please? Shaka, meet Lulu. She needs to rest while her wing gets better. Lulu, meet Shaka. He could really use your help with a tick problem. Perfect! I think those two are going to be great friends. When you're the best. Here's Colin the Chameleon. Chameleons are a special type of lizard. And did you know that the tongue of a chameleon can be longer than its entire body? Now then, Colin, what can we do for you? A chameleon has special skin, which means they can change colour to blend in with their background. This is called camouflage. Let's test it out, shall we, Colin? Hey guys, meet Robbo.
Hello, everyone.
Robbo is my friendly robot helper here in the treatment room.
That's right. I've got all of the tools that we need to help the animals feel better again. I can even use my tickling stick.
Robbo, please can you swap the colours of the backgrounds for Colin and we'll see if he can change to the right colour.
Red.
This is red. But oh dear, look, Colin has changed to blue.
Yellow.
This is yellow, but Colin has changed to red.
Green.
This is green, but Colin has changed to orange. There's definitely a problem here. Robbo, I think Colin needs to relearn which colours are which.
Red.
Well done, Colin. We can hardly see you. You're red.
Yellow.
Excellent work, Colin. You're now yellow.
Green.
Perfect. You got all three right, Colin. You're now a lovely shade of green. It looks like you're all cured. Fantastic.
Lilly is a breed of dog called a beagle. Did you know that a beagle could use its powerful sense of smell to follow another animal's tracks, even if they're buried under deep snow?
Welcome, welcome, Lilly. What seems to be the problem? You look very itchy, Lilly. Shall we take a closer look at your fur and see what's making you so itchy?
Let's use this magnifying glass. A magnifying glass helps us to see tiny things very clearly and in more detail.
Aha! Just as I expected. You have jumpy, itchy little fleas having a party in your fur. Robbo, can you fetch the flea vacuum, please?
Let's suck those little fleas right up.
Let's count the fleas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's it. We got them all.
Those pesky fleas are so troublesome. Look, they're carrying on with their party. Lilly, you are now flea-free. Here comes Jimmy the rabbit. Oh dear. It looks like Jimmy may be allergic to something. I wonder what it could be. What have you been eating, Jimmy? I have an idea. Look at that. I think Jimmy is allergic to carrots. Can you tell us what an allergy is, please, Robbo?
An allergy is when your body's immune system makes a bit of a mistake and thinks something harmless is dangerous to your body.
In Jimmy's case, his body is reacting badly to carrots. Not to worry, there are lots of other delicious vegetables that you can eat instead. We have broccoli, cabbages, and squash. They are all super healthy and taste fantastic. Look, the squash is even the same colour as carrots, but it won't make you sneeze. Yummy, yummy. Here comes Jake the spider.
Some people think that spiders are insects, but that's not true. Spiders are actually members of the arachnid family.
Oh dear, Jake. It looks like you're limping on one of your legs. What happened? That sounds like a nasty fall. Let me take a look at that for you. Robbo, I think we need to take an X-ray of one of Jake's legs.
One X-ray coming right up.
Spiders don't have bones like you and me. They are arthropods, which means their skeleton is on the outside. This is called an exoskeleton. If you look, you can clearly see here that poor Jake has broken one of his legs. I think we need to put that leg in a cast, which will give it the support it needs whilst it heals. Whilst Robbo is putting Jake's cast on, shall we count how many legs Jake has? He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. That's you all fixed, Jake. Now don't climb any walls or water spouts for 2 weeks and try to get plenty of rest. Here comes Cecil the Snail.
As you've probably guessed, snails like Cecil are very slow movers. In fact, they are one of the slowest creatures on Earth.
Oh, poor you, Cecil. You really don't look well at all. A little slime is good for a snail like Cecil, as it helps them to move as well as protect them from the sun. But this is just too much slime. It means Cecil can't climb walls. He's just too slippery. I think Cecil may be suffering from a cold. I know how to make you feel better, Cecil, but we're going to need a bit of help from our friend Shane the koala. Robbo, do you remember Shane was eating eucalyptus leaves before? The oil from eucalyptus leaves can help with runny noses and coughs when you have a cold and should help our friend Cecil here.
I think Shane is just leaving the pet rescue centre. I'll go and find him.
Thank you so much for popping back, Shane. Now, Cecil, breathe in some of that precious eucalyptus oil and you'll start feeling better. Here comes our first patient, Twinkle the Robin.
You can tell a robin by their beautiful red feathers on their front. Sometimes they're called robin redbreasts and can be heard singing in your garden on Christmas Day.
Twinkle, what seems to be the problem? Twinkle, I can't hear you. Have you lost your voice? May I have a quick look at your throat, please?
Robins and other types of birds sing as a way of speaking to one another, just like humans do by talking.
Yes, Twinkle. It looks like you've got a sore throat. The best treatment for a sore throat is to wrap up warm, rest up and drink plenty of water. Some of Robbo's special cough syrup will help too.
A spoonful of cough syrup coming right up.
Here you go, Twinkle. Make sure you take a big gulp. It's important to stay warm out there and get as much rest as possible. Would you look at that? She's already feeling much better. This is Gordon the hamster.
Hamsters like Gordon are very good at digging. They create big burrows in the soil where they live.
Hi, Gordon. You look like you're enjoying your wheel there. Oh dear, this is not good. It looks like you're going to be sick. Have some water. Water makes you feel better by getting rid of headaches and keeping you refreshed. How often do you spin in your wheel, Gordon? I think Gordon is travel sick. If you're going to play on your wheel for that long, you need something that will stop you feeling sick all the time. Ask your mummy or daddy to give you a spoonful of this every morning when you wake up and at night when you go to sleep, and you can play all day long. Let's see how many circles Gordon can do in his wheel now, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic, Gordon. You really are talented. Chili the Emperor Penguin.
Emperor penguins live in a place called Antarctica, near the South Pole. Antarctica is so cold, the ground is made of snow and ice.
Oh dear, Chili. You look under the weather. Let me take your temperature with my thermometer.
Thermometers are used by vets and doctors to take the temperature of your body. The higher the red line in the thermometer, the hotter your temperature is.
Chili is definitely too hot, but I don't think you have a fever.
This coat is made of ice, which is just water that is frozen solid. It will help to cool you down.
That's much better. Look how cool you look.